Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a time when you changed your opinion. You should say when it was, what the original opinion was, why you changed it, and explain how you felt about it.
There was a time when I thought that all vegetables were gross and tasted bad. I would refuse to eat them and only wanted to eat junk food. My opinion changed when my friend's mother made me try roasted vegetables. It was at my friend's house for dinner when her mother served roasted vegetables as a side dish. I had never tried them before, but they smelled amazing. My friend's mother encouraged me to try them and I reluctantly took a small bite. To my surprise, the vegetables tasted delicious. The roasting had brought out their natural sweetness and the seasoning was just right. I ended up eating a whole serving and even asked for the recipe. I realized that my original opinion about vegetables was wrong. I had never given them a fair chance and had only tried them in ways that didn't appeal to me. Roasting was a new way to cook them that I had never considered before. I felt happy that I had tried something new and discovered a new food that I enjoyed. I also felt a little embarrassed that I had been so stubborn in my opinions before. But overall, I felt grateful for the experience and more open-minded about trying new things in the future. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.